You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. China's issues warning to its citizens in Angola involved in crypto mining. Binance executive who escaped from Nigeria has been found in Kenya faces extradition. Thailand will block online sales to crypto exchanges to solve online crimes. Vitalik Buterin reveals his views on privacy-oriented Zcash project. Pro-crypto RFK Jr. vows to make the US budget publicly accessible on blockchain. Turkey's investing apps Midas raises $45 million to double down on crypto. Crypto exchange OKX partners with Manchester City to launch football shirts, mintables, and digital collectibles. Exxon forges groundbreaking partnership with Cluster Protocol. FTX estate plans auctions for locked Solana tokens. Bitcoin miners may shift focus to AI after halving CoinShares sales. Eugene layer on the brink of the potential yield crisis. WooX introduces tokenized US Treasury bills for retail investors. The Chinese embassy in Angola has reminded its nationals on Angola's recent prohibitions for all crypto mining activities. The authority issued firm warning emphasizing severe penalties to those who violate the law. Nigeria wants the Binance executive who custody and fled to Kenya to be extradited. Local media outlets have reported the Nigerian government officials are expecting Nadeem Manjawala to be returned to the country within the week. Nadeem Manjawala, an executive and crypto exchange Binance, who recently escaped Nigerian custody, has been located in Kenya and faces extraditions, multiple local media outlets have reported. The order was made public by Thai SEC Secretary General Pornanong after the Technology Crime Preventions and Suppressions Committee meeting on April 19th. Thailand's decisions to block unlicensed firms were inspired by India and the Philippines, which recently banned all offshore exchanges that failed to comply with local regulations. Ethereum founders Vitalik Buterin provided insights about privacy-oriented Zcash, suggesting a different approach to development funding. He imagined diffusions where Zcash remains conservative on technology, insistent on privacy, experimental on economics. In a bold move towards transparency and accountability, pro-crypto presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has pledged to revolutionize the US budget system. RFK Jr. vows to put the entire US budget on a blockchain system. The crypto community stakeholders are already rooting for Kennedy, and the latest announcement has strengthened their belief. Turkish investing startup Midas has secured $45 million in a funding round led by the Portage of Coin Canada to launch crypto services. OKX and the English football club Manchester City have partnered to launch commemorative football shirts that can be minted as non-fungible tokens. Fans as Manchester City, the reigning English football champions, will be able to mint the Unseen City shirts digital collectible from April 20 to 25. Exxon, one of the leading identities in the decentralized technology field, has finally declared a partnership with the Cluster Protocol. Cluster Protocol is first of its kind cutting-edge framework designed to be revolutionize computations, data sharing, and artificial intelligence. The strategic collaboration is an important success in revolutionizing the decentralized technology area. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.